26-axis numerical control drilling and milling machine live application demonstration episode 2. I now have a 6-meter-long workpiece, which can be moved simultaneously on our screen. To demonstrate to everyone, we can see 126 multi-head automatic. We have set up 26 heads for this machine, which is divided into 2 workstations. Here is one workstation 2, and there is one workstation 1 over there. Each of these 13 heads is a workstation, which allows the workers to work simultaneously, thus achieving non-stop refueling cycle processing. Step on the foot switch, it will first come down and then move left and right. 26 U-shaped slots only take few seconds. Of course, some customers may ask, because my slots are longer and shorter, what should I do? Adjustable. We have made a mechanism here to adjust the length of the pull groove, and we have covered it up for safety reasons. Our drill here is different from ordinary road drills. It is a drill bit milling cutter after completing the operation. After it retracts, it will stop, and it will not rotate like a regular drill.
9方行机械